We continue implementation in this part where we go to the second menu entitled Soil Data, and in it we go to Soils Grid and specify or choose the soil type map that we produced in the previous parts of the soil type and land use category with UTM coordinates belonging to HWSD or DSMW, where we click on the file icon and choose Load Soils Database from Disk, then click on Open, then Yes, and we go to the following path. And here either we choose the map inside the file titled 0 to 30 cm topsoil of Iraq and Syria classified UTM belonging to HWSD, or choose the map inside the file entitled Iraq and Syria DSMW ArcGIS of DSMW, where we open this file. Then we go to show of type and we choose all filter listed. Then this map appears with the title Iraq and Syria DSMW UTM with the shapefile extension. Then we click on select. From the drop menu we choose the field title MUID of the US soil number that we added previously. Then we press OK. Then a message appears containing information which indicates that the percentage that the soil map for Iraq and Syria covers from the study area is 100%. Then we press OK. Then the division of soil types appears for the study area. Then we go to choose a grid field and select value. Then OK. Then these type or numbers of American soil appears in the study area. Then we choose ArcSWAT SSURGO to show the US soil number under the title MU key. Then we click on reclassify and a message appears indicating soils reclassify completed. Then OK. Then we go to the menu titled slope, and in it we choose multiple slope. Then in number of slope classes we choose 5, and in the current slope class we choose 1 and set the value of slope and let it be 1%. Then add. Then we choose 2 and set the value of slope to be 2%. Then add. Then choose 3 and set the value of slope, say 5%. Then add. Then choose 4 and set the slope value, say 10%. Then add. With that we divided the study area into several slopes, as we see. Then we click on reclassify. A message appears indicating that the slope reclassify completed. Then OK. Then we tick create HRU feature class. We also tick create overlay report. Then we click on overlay. We wait for the process to complete. A message appears stating finished land use over soils over slope definition. Then OK. Then we return to the third menu in ArcSWAT's menu bar titled HRU Analysis and select HRU Definition. A window entitled HRU Definition appears with 4 options. Either we keep the option multiple HRUs and specify the percentage of the options below, or we choose dominant land use soils slope. Then we click on create HRUs. Then a message appears indicating that completed HRU definition. Then we press OK. Then we return to the third menu from the ArcSWAT menu bar titled HRU Analysis and select HRU Analysis Report. Then we select Final HRU Distribution, then OK. Then HRU Land Use Soils Report appears, which contains detailed information about the study area. Then we click on Cancel. Then we save the project by clicking on the Save icon. And now at this stage, if we want to make changes or modification to the setting of the land use and soil type and other settings for the study area, we go to the fifth menu of ArcSWAT menu bar titled Edit SWAT Input, and in it we find that only the database option is enabled. Where we click on it, the settings that can be changed appear, which are user soils, land cover, and etc. For example, if we choose land cover, if it is possible to change the setting for it using Add New, then we press Exit. After setting the settings, we press OK. Here we did not change the settings, so we click on Cancel. Now to enter the weather data for the study area, we go to the fourth menu from the ArcSWAT menu bar entitled Write Input Tables, and in it we choose weather stations. Then we go to the weather generator data and then to drop menu titled Locations Table, and it has several options. And since the study area is located between Iraq and Syria, we can choose the weather database for Iraq and Syria with the UTM coordinates titled WGN-CFSR-IS. But since we have the weather data for the study area taken from the global weather data for SWAT website, we choose WGN-user. As we see, then we go to rainfall data, and in it we choose rain gauges, and from the locations table we go to the project file on the desktop entitled SWAT Wadi Al-Mur 1, and inside it is the file for the weather data, where we open it and choose from it the precipitation file titled pcp.txt. Then press open. Then we go to temperature data, and in it we select climate stations, and from the location table we go to the project file and choose from it temperature file titled tmp.txt. Then we press open. Then we go to relative humidity data, and in it we choose relative humidity gauges, and from the location table we go to the project file and choose from it relative humidity file titled rs.txt. Then click on open. Then we go to the solar radiation data, and in it we choose solar gauges, and from the locations table we go to the project file and choose from it the solar radiation file entitled solar.txt. Then we click on open. Then we go to the wind speed data, and in it we choose wind gauges, and from the location table we go to the project file and choose from it the wind speed file titled wind.txt. Then we press open. Finally, we press OK. A message appears stating that processing complete. Then we press OK. Then we return to the fourth menu from the ArcSWAT menu bar titled Write Input Table, and select Write SWAT Input Tables. A window entitled Write SWAT Database Tables appears, and in it we press Select All. Then we press Create Table. Then yes, when the process is completed, all the options will be green and with the name complete, and a message appears indicating that done building select tables. Then we press OK. Now after this step we can go to the fifth menu from the ArcSWAT menu bar titled Edit SWAT Input, in which we find that all options have been activated, and we can change settings, for example in point source, inlet, discharge, reservoir, and other settings, where we can change the settings for the reservoirs, and from the drop menu we choose the number of reservoir, which is 11. Then OK. Then we click on edit values to change the values, and then we click on save edit to save the changes. And we can change the setting for the point source, and others. Then after completing the change of setting, we click on Rewrite SWAT Input Files. Then this window appears, and in it we click on Select All. Then we click on Write Files.